Hello everyone, let's talk about types of chemical equations. There are different types of different categories of chemical reactions. So let's try to identify one by one. First one is combination reaction. Combination reaction, another name is synthesis reaction. So like the name implies, the synthesis means something we can make. Another chemical compound is making. For example, A plus B will react to form AB. This is the format for the synthesis or the combination reaction. The definition is when two or more reactants combine or join together to make one single product. We call combination reaction or synthesis reaction. Let's talk about the ammonia synthesis reaction. Nitrogen react with hydrogen to form ammonia molecule. So if we balance the chemical equation, nitrogen react with hydrogens to make ammonia. This is synthesis reaction. Two or more reactants join together to make a single product. Next one is decomposition. Decomposition means completely opposite to the combination reaction. So decomposition means a single reactant breaks into two or more products A plus B. Single reactant, two or more products. So this is dissociates, breaks into A plus B. So if you consider the reverse reaction, when ammonia breaks into its constituent elements, nitrogen and hydrogens, this is we called decomposition reaction. Combination and the decomposition. Combination is making, decomposition is breaking. Right. Next one is single replacement reactions. Single replacement reaction meaning is a metal when react with a compound make another new metal and the new compound. For example, A is an element or the metal when react with a BC compound. Right? So A come and replace B and join with C. So its new element is B plus AC. This is the general format for the single replacement reaction. A element replace B and join with C. So B is replaced, now it's element. Initially it was at the compound, now it is element. A new compound is AC. A join with C, new compound AC. That is single replacement. Only one place replaced by the element. Double replacement. Double replacement means double means two. Two places replaced here. The general format is two compounds interchange, exchange their cations and anions to make new compounds. For example, if we consider AB when react with CD, two compounds, the A go and join with D forming AD plus B go and join with C. They are exchanging their cations and anions. Next one, combustion reaction. Combustion reactions meaning is when CXHY type molecules, we call hydrocarbons, C3H8, propane, butane, pentane, they all are hydrocarbons, have carbon and hydrogen containing compounds, and sometimes there are oxygens too. So these kind of hydrocarbons when react with oxygen to generate carbon dioxide gas and water vapor H2O, CO2 and H2O. So these type of reactions we call combustion reactions. Right. Let's move on to next reaction type. Next one is acid-base neutralization reactions. So what is the acid-base neutralization reactions? Acid-base, when acid react with the base, it always forms salt and water. Let's take example acid-base reaction. When HCl is the acid, react with sodium hydroxide. It is a base. Acid plus base. When react to form NaCl is salt plus H2O water. So always acid react with water. Any acid plus base. The product should be salt and water. If you have acid spill in your laboratory or somewhere at home, you can add a weak base to neutralize that. If you have a base spill somewhere, then you can add not very strong, the mild acid to neutralize the base spill. And let's talk about the next reaction, precipitation reaction. Precipitate means solid formation reaction. Right. Now let's talk about potassium iodide, the commonly used reaction in the laboratory. Potassium iodide when react with lead nitrate. The products are lead iodide PbI2 plus potassium nitrate. The reaction is not balanced, but I will try to give the idea what is the precipitation reaction. So initially potassium iodide in aqueous phase, the aqueous solution. Lead nitrate is aqueous solution. But if we mix both together, it forms a yellow color lead iodide solid at the bottom of the test tube. So a solid form a reaction we call precipitation reaction. The potassium nitrate remained in the solution in the liquid phase, but lead iodide settled to the bottom of the test tube as a yellow solid. That is precipitation reaction. When two liquids aqueous solutions mix, a solid formation reaction we call precipitation. Another type of reaction is oxidation reduction reactions, or simply we call redox reaction. Redox reaction. Redox reaction means both oxidation and the reduction half reactions within the same equation. Then we call it is oxidation reduction reaction. For example, if we take Fe plus oxygen form Fe2O3. So what is this reaction? This is iron rust formation reaction. So when 4 moles of iron react with 3 moles of oxygen, it forms 2 moles of ferric oxide. Another name is iron 3 oxide, ferric oxide. So this is iron rust, brown color rust. This reaction you can clearly see what are the oxidation numbers. So initially all the elemental form oxidation number is 0. So Fe in the elemental form, it is oxidation number initially 0. Oxygen in the elemental form, so the oxidation number is 0. Now let's see what is the charge on this compound. So we all know oxygen always -2 charge is the charge on oxygen. It forms oxide -2. So if oxygen is -2, if you calculate the one of the ion charge should be +3. Right? So I'm not going to explain how we can get the charge here. I will explain this oxidation number in different video. Now after you mark the charge in the reactants and the products, let's see what's going on. So initially Fe 0 charge, finally Fe +3 charge. 0 become +3. What happened? 3 electrons lost. 3 electrons removed from Fe to become Fe3+. So electron loss we call oxidation. Electron loss is oxidation. The Fe undergo oxidation. Let's see oxygen. Oxygen initially 0 charge because this is elemental oxygen O2. But within the compound the charge is -2. What happened? One oxygen atoms gained 2 electrons. It received or gained 2 electrons. So gaining electrons, obtaining electrons we call reduction. So oxygen undergo reduction, iron Fe undergo oxidation. Now within the same equation, both oxidation and reduction part both have reactions within the same reaction. We called oxidation reduction or simply redox reaction. This is a redox reaction. Both oxidation and reduction have reactions included. So these are the types of the commonly used types of reactions. There are some other categories, but mainly these types of reactions we need in Gen Chem 1 and 2 courses. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.